Hello, this is Meiko Ikeda, yes. This time I'll be showing you what's inside my bag. This is a large capacity backpack that can hold enough for an overnight stay. And when you open it up, yes, it looks like this with lots of pockets and features. So, don't you find that when you use a backpack, the inside quickly gets messy and you lose track of small items? But ever since I started using this backpack, those problems are resolved. So use this as a reference. Once again, the bag I'm introducing this time is this backpack called Raffin by Heine. As an organizing and storage advisor, I collaborated with Heine to create this. Thank you very much. I designed a storage backpack that keeps things organized effortlessly, aiming to solve your daily problems. I've shown it several times on YouTube Live, so some of you may already be interested or anticipating it. Thank you, everyone. This will be available for pre-order starting at 8 post-meridium on November 20th this month. And for a limited time, there will also be an early bird discount coupon. So let me introduce it to you right away. And Raffin comes in these 3 colors. They are black, grayish, and taupe. When you think of backpacks, they tend to have a casual image. Haven't you struggled to match them with your everyday clothes? Or felt there are a few occasions to use them? This time, we created a backpack that is spacious and functional, while also focusing on a simple and elegant design. It pairs with suits or coats and works for any occasion. You can use it, and since it's sized to be suitable for outings, travel, and work, this time I'll show you as I pack for a one-night stay. Let me introduce the main compartment. First, here's the inside. There are already pockets all over the front. So first, I'll start by introducing this pocket on the backside. So first, since the bottom here is a flat mesh pocket, I'll put a hot eye mask in here. And I'll also put in some convenient cutlery to have on hand. It's pretty common to forget to get these when traveling, so it's really convenient to have them. The top 2 have gussets, so I put charging cables in here, and also a tripod. In the back, there's a pocket that fits A4-sized items. Yes, it's a file for organizing A4 clear folders, keeping documents and similar items together. It can also fit a 13-inch or 14-inch laptop. And since this part is cushioned, even if your laptop doesn't have a cover, you can put it in safely. Yes! Next, there are open bottom pockets on both sides. These are for when you want to use the main space more freely. At those times, you can also use them by pushing them to the sides. You can put a 500 ml plastic bottle in here, or even a glasses case. And here, you can store a folding umbrella upright. There's also a large mesh pocket here. You can put a mirror here, or a spare mask. Don't you ever lose track of small items because they sink to the bottom? So this time, to prevent that from happening, I've added mesh pockets on both sides as well. Yes, that way you can put supplements or other small items inside like this. This way, you can prevent things from sinking to the bottom of your bag. On the other side, you can quickly put in a reusable shopping bag. Yes, now I've managed to store everything without needing a pouch. And then even though you bought snacks, bread or rice balls, when you're about to eat them, it's pretty disappointing when you find out they've been squished, isn't it? So to make use of the dead space above, I also made this mesh pocket here. Yes, I'll put snacks like these in here. This way, it prevents things from sinking to the bottom of the backpack. Actually, there's also a pocket at the bottom of this backpack, and this one is a polyvinyl chloride pocket. This is a gusseted polyvinyl chloride pocket. For example, you can place a wet handkerchief or small trash here. You can put things like that in here too. And if you pull out the pocket like this, it's easy to clean. Now, I'll put the handkerchief in. And you can also see that pocket from inside the backpack, so it helps prevent you from accidentally leaving things in there without noticing. And even at this point, you can see at a glance where everything is. Even if you're not good at organizing, you'll naturally be able to keep things neat and tidy. Don't you ever feel like people are watching when you open your bag in public? But with this, you can always keep it neat and tidy. Okay, now I'm going to add a change of clothes, pajamas, a skincare set, a makeup pouch, a hair iron, and a toothbrush pouch. The makeup pouch is also from Heine. And I think the amount of clothes you bring depends on the person. This time, I'm packing jeans, a long sleeve inner shirt, a long sleeve knit top, and also a handkerchief and socks. Yes, and pajamas as well. And a hair iron. A toothbrush set, and also a skincare set. Yes, just like this, the main travel items are packed. And actually, there's still some dead space above here. So I'll put the fragile snacks I showed earlier in here. You can put them in by lifting them up like this. Yes, by doing it this way, you can protect fragile items without them getting crushed. Yes, we're just getting started. Next, I'll introduce the front pocket. This backpack now includes a mini shoulder bag. While you usually travel with a backpack, sometimes you just want to carry the essentials and move freely. I designed this convenient bag with that in mind, putting thought and care into it. So this isn't just a bonus. Right from the start, it's meant to be like this. I wanted to create a backpack with a mini shoulder bag that you can store when not in use. As I showed earlier, you can attach it here and secure it together. Yes, here's the inside. It has 5 pockets in total. First, you can put hairpins or accessories in here. And there are also 2 mesh pockets at the bottom, so you can use them for things like lip balm or earphones. And on the opposite side, there's a hidden pocket, so you can put things like your passport, plane tickets, or even a pen in here. On the outside, you can also keep things you want to grab quickly, like your smartphone. The shoulder strap can be securely fastened with this carabiner. If you keep only essentials like your passport and tickets here, as I mentioned, airport processes are smoother. You can also attach this to your backpack, so there's no need for a separate sub-bag. That's unnecessary, and carrying it with your backpack looks stylish and coordinated. Yes, and there are still 3 pockets here. You can put things you use often, like lip balm or eye drops, in here, or things like this cream or alcohol spray. You can also put other frequently used items in here, and this front part is a zippered pocket, so even if you open it up like this, nothing will fall out. Also, at a glance, you can immediately see where everything is. And when the mini shoulder bag is set up, you can use it just like a pouch, and you can take things in and out of the mesh pocket without any interference. Okay, let's move on to the next section below. This part also actually has 2 mesh pockets inside, so it prevents small items from getting mixed up. Here, you can put things like wet wipes or napkins. I'll put this in the mesh pocket. This lets you easily access items from your backpack when you set it down in places like restrooms. I put things I don't use often at the bottom, and this backpack has pockets on both sides. And on one side, there's a D-ring, so you can attach a pass case like this. The other side has a simple pocket, so for example, you can put a battery in here, connect a cable, and operate your smartphone while charging it. Right now, I have a lot of things in the main compartment. But if you have a little more space in the main compartment, you can put things like water bottles on both sides. You can also put a folding umbrella in there. It's really up to your preference, so please use it however suits you at the time. Above the pocket from earlier, there's this soft loop attached. And here, if you like, you can use a carabiner or something similar to attach it like this, so you can connect things like your hat and keep them together. You know, when you're eating or something, you take off your hat. Don't you ever have trouble finding a place to put it? In times like that, with this, you can just hang it on your backpack. These days, I think they also sell things like magnetic hat holders, or things you can hang your scarf on. You can combine those and attach them, or you can customize it with charms or whatever you like. And there's even a back pocket here. This one has a double zipper. There are also 2 mesh pockets inside. And there are also D-rings on both sides. Yes, like this, you can attach your keys here. So if you tend to lose your keys, please attach them here. That way you can take out your keys without even looking. And if you attach your mini wallet with a strap, you won't have to worry about dropping it. Yes, I also use a bifold wallet like this. And then I put the keys in the mesh pocket for a bit. Yes, and this is an iPhone 17 Pro, but it also fits vertically. And this strap on top is for attaching to a suitcase. Actually, this backpack comes with 2 mini pouches as well. First, if you put pocket tissues in this square pouch, you can easily take them out whenever you need them. It's also convenient for putting in lip balm or cosmetics. As for the round pouch, you can put a small face powder in it. You can also use it to store small accessories you've taken off. There are D-rings on the front part of each shoulder strap, so you can attach things like this. You can attach them however you like. This can also be easily attached to the mini shoulder bag I introduced earlier. So if you want to travel light, you can attach this to the mini shoulder bag and move around. Yes, right now I have enough luggage for an overnight stay inside, and this is how it looks when I wear it. While achieving a large capacity, we've made it slim and shaped to fit your body. In terms of size, it's big enough to fit things like concert fans, so when it arrives, it might feel a bit big at first. But when you actually wear it, the design makes sure the backpack doesn't look like it's sticking out awkwardly. And since it has thick padding, even with this much stuff inside, your shoulders won't hurt. And it's also designed so it doesn't easily slip off your shoulders. I personally have very sloped shoulders, and I used to struggle with backpacks slipping off my shoulders all the time, but with Raffin, it doesn't slip off at all. Even though it should feel heavy with everything inside, it actually feels surprisingly light when I put it on. With this, I can carry a lot and move around without getting tired easily. Also, these extra straps are cute, but depending on the situation, they might hit your arm and bother you a little. So it's really... This time I asked them to add this clasp as well. So you can fasten it lightly here, or if you wrap it around from the end like this. Yes, just like this, you can use it without the strap hanging down. The material of this backpack is high-quality nylon with a water-repellent finish, so it can reduce minor rain and dirt. It can be matched with both casual and more polished outfits. Pairing this Raffin with a simple outfit like a t-shirt and jeans still looks stylish. I recommend it for those who want to use a sturdy backpack that also has an elegant, mature feel. This time, I shared what's in my bag for trips with lots of items. In future collaboration videos, I'll show what's in my mother's or work bag, so stay tuned. I'll also feature these in short videos and on Instagram with different outfits as references. Yes, to summarize the information about the backpack at the end, this collaborative backpack with Heine called Raffin will be available for pre-order starting at 8 o'clock post-meridium on November 20th. The price is 20,000 yen including tax. It will be available on the official store, Rakuten, and Yahoo Shopping. It was the same with the first collaboration with Haruna, but there were quite a few scam sites on other platforms, so please be careful not to buy from any sites other than the official ones. They've also prepared a limited time coupon, valid from November 20th. The official store offers a 2,000 yen coupon, while Rakuten and Yahoo Shopping have a 1,500 yen coupon. Additionally, this time, they've specially prepared a 3,000 yen off coupon for everyone who always supports Mako Akita. So, those of you who watched this video can purchase it with a 3,000 yen discount for a limited time. So, since you have this special opportunity, please make use of this great 3,000 yen off coupon instead of the regular one. The early bird coupon is valid from November 20th at 8 o'clock post Meridium until November 27th at 9:59 ante-Meridium. This is the best time to make your purchase, so please consider it. Your order will be shipped by December 29th, so please look forward to it. I think Raffin makes a great reward for yourself or as a gift for someone else. See the sales page in the description box for more details. So today, I introduced what's in my bag and also showed you Raffin, which I collaborated on with Heine. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Well then, this was Mako Ikeda. Bye-bye.